In today's video I want to show you guys how you can screen mirror your phone or your iPhone on your Android Smart TV. Okay, for the first step we can click on the home button or on apps like this, and here we can go to the Play Store. So click on the Play Store and then we go up, click on search, and here we can type in like we can type in air, like something air play, air screen, which we search for like air. So, and then click on search, and here we have like air mirror, cast to Android TV, or air screen. So we can click on this, and then after that we can open the app. So, and then we have our Android Smart TV, like this is a Panasonic TV, and then we can go down here, click on go down, click on this symbol, and here we have the TV. We can click on it, and after that your device should be connected with the TV. And yeah, this works. If I could help you with the video, please leave a like and subscribe, and then see you next time.